32 unique Diwali gift ideas for family and friends. You will surely get some good ideas in this video. Canvas painting, smartphone, silver coin, scented candles, stainless steel glass, showpiece, ethnic wear, ceramic plates, gift voucher, copper bottle, tea light candle holder, gold coin, crackers, kettle, gift basket, portable blender, nuts, iron kadai, plants, copper bowl set, wallet, watch, air fryer, premium chocolates, chocker set, sweets, yeah, wine chimes, earrings, Alexa, cookware set, ceramic plates, if you want to buy these items, check the link in description. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.